out in the nature today again. It's a lovely, hot, sunny day. There's a lovely gentleman today who's just given me some interesting facts about the sun. I'm gonna do a meditation which is quite congruent with the climate today, which is very sunny and hot. So the meditation is going to be the meditation of the sun. Sometimes I do this to release certain endorphins. You close your eyes and imagine that the sun is at your toes and it's gradually rising, and you can feel the heat. You feel the heat of its rays descending through your toes. Gradually, you can feel your toes getting hotter. You can also hear the sounds of the birds, the bees, and the wind. And now you can see the light of the sun ascending through your bodies, making your toes glow and glow. And it's rising up to your knees. Now it's rising up to your thighs. Ascending. Now you can start to see the sun all around you, rising up through your body. Now you can feel the heat getting even more intense inside of yourself, rising up towards your chest. Now it's rising above your head. And now you feel this inner glow of warmth and love, which represents the warmth and the love of the rays of the sun, and it's heating your heart, your kidneys and the liver. And now it's ascending up towards your face, and just as the sun is rising, so is your face. Your facial muscles are becoming loose. Start to smile. Now you can feel the serotonin being released in your body, the endorphin which allows you to feel as you should be and as you are, and as you know you can, happy, peaceful, and joyful, and content. When you're ready, you can just bring yourself back, gently open your eyes. And that's a short meditation that I do. Absolutely sweltering.